Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Hope you had a great long weekend. I'm just going to go through your instructions for week 9 of distance learning. Somehow we've been doing this for 9 weeks. I don't know how. So as usual, go on to Google Classroom, click on the distance learning website link to find out what you have to do this week. Like I mentioned, we're on week 9. So this week you're going to be going over the judicial branch again. I know we've done a little bit of this in school already this year, but it's a super important part of our government, so it doesn't hurt to review. This week, there's only actually a few tasks, which is good. You had Monday off, so we wanted to try to keep it reasonable. So here's your timeline. Everything will be due at 3 o'clock on Friday. The first thing is just to do that check-in. I really like it when you guys do this because it lets me know if I need to reach out to you during the week and just see how you're doing. And it's also fun to hear what you've been up to. So do that Google form. Task 2 is an Edpuzzle video. You're going to look for it on Edpuzzle. It's called the Judicial Branch. It's about 3 minutes long. It has 6 questions that go with it. So Edpuzzle is pretty straightforward. You guys can usually handle that. Task 3 is a Google slideshow. So I'm going to show you where to get that on Google Classroom in a second. Remember to hit turn in on Classroom. A lot of people are not hitting turn in, and it's kind of a pain for me. So just make sure you hit it when you're done. So let's look for this activity right here. So we're going to be going to Classroom and looking for Judicial Branch and Supreme Court. So we're on Classroom. Let's go to our classwork. Judicial Branch and Supreme Court. Directions are inside the slideshow. You do not have to make a copy. Please hit turn in when you are done. So we're going to open it up. All right, so there is some reading that goes with this activity this week. So you're going to want to do this little piece of reading first, and then anywhere where there says add your text in red, you'll be able to type and add your answer. So you're going to be doing some reading and answering questions. The next 2 pages of this are a little tricky. So basically you're going to be given a scenario and you're going to be asked to write whether it's constitutional or unconstitutional. So for this, use everything we've learned this year. If you get some wrong, that's fine. Some of them might be a little bit tricky for you, but everything, so you're going to read the scenario and you're going to put a C if you think it's legal, meaning constitutional, or U if you think it's unconstitutional. So you're going to do that for this page and this page. The last activity that you're going to do, it says on the next slide, you'll need to look up the current Supreme Court judges. In the box, please place their name and president that appointed them. So this one has been done as an example for you. So you're going to have to go ahead and Google Supreme Court justices and find the most current ones. So find these guys' shiny little faces here. And you're going to want to click in the box, type their name, and then tell me which president gave them the job. So when you're done with that on Classroom, you hit turn in and you're done for the week. The only other thing happening is my optional Google Meet from 1:30 to 2 on Wednesday if you have questions about any of the assignments or you just want to check in real quick. So that's all I have for you guys this week. Again, I hope you had an awesome long weekend. We have a short week this week. You can do it.